Right, hello everyone. So today I took a 8-foot 2x2 made out of redwood and a 8-foot piece of fence, and I drew up a blueprint for a shelf. I want it being 24 inches by the length of the fence, by the width of the fence. Cut the notches out for the 2x2. Made two pieces that were about 7 inches. And they're the width of the plank, about the width of the plank, and then one piece that was 24 inches times those two little notches, so times about 2.5. And then cut squares and figured out a cool pattern to cut half of it out with, and then cut the second piece to 24 plus 2. 24 inches plus 2.5, or plus 2.0. And then I sliced it in half this way, and then took off these sections. So here's the outcome. Turned out pretty good. Nice 2-foot shelf. Super sturdy. 2 long wood screws and a box of common nails. And looks good. So on the back you can see the 1/3 piece, and then there's the other 2/3 part. There's the unnecessary parts. Hope you liked the video. It's a pretty cool little project. It's gonna be a nice shelf. I'm gonna put some cool Hummels on it for my grandmother. Rest in peace. Love you, Grandma Z. There it is. Stained and sealed. Ready to go into service.